Hi, today I'll teach you variables in Python. What is a variable? A variable is a container for storing data values. Think of it as a box where you want to put something in it and then you label it, I've put this thing in that box. A name becomes a variable the moment you assign a value to it. We use an equal sign for assigning values. For example, I have number equal to 12. So the syntax for creating a variable, you must have a name, an equal sign, and then a value you want to store in that variable. I have number as my name, and the value is 12. Here I have x as my name, and the value is oranges. If I print number, I must get what I've stored in number. If I print x, I must get what I've stored in x. If I learn this, I get 12 and I get oranges because I stored 12 in number and I stored oranges in x. Let's go about the rules for naming variables. There are several rules for naming variables, but then I've just summarized them. A variable must start with a letter or an underscore. So if you're creating a variable, it must only start with a letter or an underscore. It must contain no space, and the variables can only contain a letter, a number, or an underscore. Nothing else. Variables can only contain letters, numbers, or underscores. That's in Python. For example, this one is a variable, because it does not violate any rules. This one too is a variable because it does not violate any rules. But this one is not a variable because a variable must start with a letter or an underscore. This one did not start with a letter. It did not start with an underscore. So it's not a variable. This one too is not a variable. We say a variable can only contain letters, numbers, and underscore. This is none of them. This one is not a variable because you see the variable cannot contain spaces. There's a space here. This one is a variable, because it does not violate any rules. Thank you guys for watching this video. If it really helped you, like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos.